Muslim revert. Of course, everybody asks if I converted for a man. Of course, somebody has actually said to me, but you're white. Of course, my parents hate when I cover my hair. Of course, I've been stopped in the grocery store and asked if I'm Amish or if I have cancer or what's that thing on your head? I used to work as a CNA before I became a nurse, and a CNA stands for Certified Nursing Assistant. I met a nurse there who he was Muslim, and he was my first Muslim that I had ever met in real life. When he would talk about his fiance, he would talk about her with the highest admiration that any man I had ever heard talk about his wife. And men here just didn't talk like that about women. They don't treat women with as much respect as this man treated his lady. And I remember thinking, wow, I want to find a man like this someday that talks about me that way. One day I saw him praying, but I didn't actually know he was praying. I didn't